Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. There's always room for. My name is Kim and today we're back in the kitchen and I'm going to be making taco-shaped Rice Krispie treats. So tomorrow I'm going to be surprising some friends of mine with a baby sprinkle, and the theme is Taco About a Baby. And the first dessert that came to mind for this was a Choco Taco. And while I would have loved to make a Choco Taco, which if you haven't had it before, it's a waffle cone in the shape of a taco shell filled with vanilla ice cream and chocolate sauce. I would have loved to do it, but it's the middle of summer and transporting ice cream would just be a disaster. So that idea went out the door. I have seen some Rice Krispie treats in the shape of a taco shell and then filled with ice cream, but again, it's the middle of summer, I don't want to deal with that. So my game plan is to have a Rice Krispie treat shell filled with a cocoa Rice Krispie treat inside and topped with some candy and some sprinkles just to make it look like taco toppings. So if you want to learn how to make taco-shaped Rice Krispie treats, follow along.
Start by melting 1/2 bag of candy melts or white chocolate. Pour the wafers into a microwave-safe container and microwave in 20-second intervals, stirring in between until the mixture is smooth. If you have orange wafers, go ahead and use those. Otherwise, add oil-based food coloring and stir. Pour the melted candy into a bowl lined with wax paper and set aside. Next, cut small pieces of wax paper that will help you keep the tacos separate. These pieces were roughly 3 inches by 5 inches. Melt 4 tablespoons of salted butter in a pot over medium heat. Continue stirring the butter until golden brown bits appear. Watch the butter carefully because it can burn quickly. Once the butter has browned, add the marshmallows and stir until the marshmallows have melted. Add salt if you'd like. Because I'm making 2 kinds of Rice Krispie treats, regular and cocoa, I need to divide the marshmallow mixture and reserve 1/4 of it for the Cocoa Krispies. I sprayed a spoon with cooking spray to prevent it from sticking and scooped 1/4 of the marshmallow mixture into a silicone bowl. If you don't have a silicone bowl, a microwavable bowl coated with cooking spray should work fine. With the remaining 3/4 of the marshmallow mixture, add yellow food coloring and stir. Add this yellow mixture to the plain Rice Krispies. Mix until evenly coated and pour the mixture onto one end of a Silpat or waxed paper sheet. Fold the free end over the Rice Krispies and then roll out the mixture until it is about 1/3 of an inch thick. Try to work quickly while the Rice Krispie treats are still warm and pliable. Use a circle cookie cutter to cut out 3 to 4 inch rounds and fold the Rice Krispie treat in half to resemble a taco shell. Place a piece of pre-cut wax paper over the shell and set aside. You may need to use something to help prop the shells up and keep them from unfolding while the treats are setting. Repeat this until you have your desired amount of taco shells. You can re-roll the scraps and cut more shells out if you want, or save the scraps for a chef's treat later. Next, rewarm the remaining marshmallow mixture in the microwave and pour over the Cocoa Krispies. Spoon the Cocoa Krispies into the taco shells. I greased a tablespoon with cooking spray to prevent it from sticking. While they're setting, it's time to make the cheese. Take the candy wafer piece and cut it into wedges so it's easier to manage. Using a grater, grate the chocolate just as you would if it were cheese, to produce little shreds of orange candy that looks like cheese. Now gather your toppings. I used red M&Ms for tomatoes, but you can use any red candy or sprinkles. I also had some green sugar shreds that looked like lettuce, but you can add green food coloring to coconut shreds and use that for lettuce too. Now it's time for the best part, adding toppings to your tacos. Make sure each taco gets enough cheese, lettuce, and tomato.
That is a wrap on today's tutorial for taco-shaped Rice Krispie treats. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I had so much fun making them. I'm pretty excited about the way they came out just because they kind of look like real tacos and they're technically just Rice Krispie treats with some chocolate on top. Thank you so much for tuning in and following along. My name is Kim, and don't forget, there is always room for dessert. I will see you guys next time. Bye!